How to fix Wi-Fi name not showing issue on Android. So if you want to fix Wi-Fi name not showing issue on your Android, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your Wi-Fi, go with your control center, tap and hold on to your Wi-Fi, and it will take you to this kind of interface, right? So if the Wi-Fi name is not showing right here, then the first thing is you need to ensure that the Wi-Fi is not hidden, because if the Wi-Fi is hidden, then it won't show the name. So if it's hidden, you need to scroll down, go with add network, and here you need to enter the Wi-Fi name, the security, the privacy, hidden network, and then go with add network, and it will fix. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you can open up your settings. Under settings, you can go with search, and under search, you need to search for reset, and under reset you will find reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth. You need to tap on it and then tap on reset settings, which is on the bottom. Once you reset your mobile network settings, you need to go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. Or just simply go with your Wi-Fi router, just turn it off and then again turn it on, and it will fix your problem. It will show the name. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.